In this session, we'll cover composite filtering options. To better understand how the set of capabilities work, let's use the simple example grid of promotions and measures. Using the right-click quick filter mechanism, let's focus on the top 10 promotions based on sales. Then, let's add a second quick filter using quantity to drive the top 5. This effectively creates a two-tier nested filter using sales followed by quantity. If we open up the Advanced Filter dialog, we can see the setup. First, we see the top 10 filter using the sales metric, and we see the second top 5 filter using quantity. This little drop-down shows the mechanism used between the two filter operations, which is nesting in this case. Let's edit the first filter to the top 5 based on sales, and change the second one to the bottom 5 based on quantity. This time, however, we'll choose an OR union operation so that we get the top 5 promotions based on sales or the bottom 5 promotions based on quantity. And this effectively produces a list of up to 10 different promotions. Let's change the filters to the top 7 and the bottom 7. But this time, let's choose the AND intersect function. This will find promotions that are both in the first and second filtered lists. It appears in this case only one promotion fits into both the top 7 promotions by sales and the bottom 7 promotions by quantity. Next, we're going to recreate the nesting effect we saw earlier in this demonstration. So first, let's find the top 7 based on sales, and then within this listing, we'll filter promotions to the bottom 4 based on quantity. In the next stage, we're going to add a third filter to demonstrate filter grouping. By checking these two boxes and clicking the Group button, we're going to group the two filter operations together, and then use the union operation between them. This combination filter grouping will be nested inside our first filter. So, in effect, we're going to first look for the top 10 promotions by sales. Then we are going to further filter this list by finding the list of promotions that are either in the top 3 using the happiness metric or the bottom 3 based on quantity. As you can see, our resulting 6 promotions are produced from this filter scheme. We have built a fairly complex filtering mechanism without code that includes a nesting effect as well as a conjoined filter combination inside it. Finally, let's change the out operators on our filter scheme into an AND intersection. The resulting 2 promotions that we see on the screen come from a list of promotions that are in the top 10 based on sales, that are also in a listing of promotions that are either in the top 3 based on happiness or the bottom 3 based on quantity.